How to fix TikTok not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser and then navigate to the website like Down Detector, then search for TikTok. Now check the status of the TikTok. If there are any outages, you have to wait until the problem will be resolved. Next up, what you want to do is update the TikTok app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now, search for the app TikTok. After TikTok app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this solution, your problem might be fixed. Next up, what you want to do is clear cache for the app. For that, launch Settings, navigate to the option General, click on the option iPhone Storage. Now, from the list of the apps, find TikTok, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now, click on Reinstall app. If none of these solutions work, what you have to do is completely delete TikTok from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the TikTok app, click on Remove app, click on Delete app. Once you delete the app, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok, and then download it. With these solutions, your TikTok should work. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.